Welcome to Unique. For those of you who have recently joined the worldwide Unique family, we are excited to have you a part of our global mission.
Or you may be thinking of joining Unique. If so, we are confident that this is a company where you can find success with incredible products and a mission that we believe truly changes lives.
We often have women ask us, what is it about Unique that makes it different? Why do women everywhere want to be a part of it? I'd have to say it comes down to a few things. Our company mission, Unique's top quality products, the incredibly easy social media, internet-based business, and our caring Unique family.
We do feel like we are a family, and our mission is the thing that we are the most proud of. Back when we started Unique, before we even knew what products we would sell, we started by clarifying our mission, which is to uplift, empower, and validate women across the world. Those three powerful words really have guided everything that we do, from our product development to our compensation plan, and to establishing the Unique Foundation to help women who were sexually abused reclaim hope and healing.
We truly care about the personal growth our presenters experience as they become a part of the Unique family. Derek just mentioned our products, and this is something that I'm passionate about. Since we started Unique, I have been personally involved in the development of each and every product. At Unique, we have a team of scientists and developers that bring together the best of nature, love, and science to deliver makeup and skincare that nourish and enrich the skin. And that's why thousands upon thousands of women around the world have fallen in love with our products, like our Moodstruck 3D Fiber Lashes Plus, Moodstruck Opulence Lipstick, Beachfront Bronzer, Splurge Cream Eyeshadow, Uplift Eye Serum, and so much more. Plus, we found that when you look beautiful, you feel beautiful. And that added confidence you get from Unique enables you to accomplish more than you ever thought possible.
And that is our goal for you. Unique is a place where thousands of women have found success. We are a social media-based company, which means that you can share products, hold a virtual party, and even sponsor those that are in different countries. You can build your team the way that you want to. You set up your very own business in just minutes, and immediately you can reach out to friends and family and launch your own business. Your business is your own business. You work it how, when, and where you would like to.
That's something that our presenters love, the ability to work wherever and whenever that works best for them. We have a global army of women, many who are working outside the home full-time or part-time, and many who are full-time stay-at-home mothers. No matter their situation, many have found great success in their Unique business. It can be whatever you want it to be.
And with your ability to build your very own team, you can grow your own personal income and create lots of opportunities for other women, which for you can be one of the most satisfying things of all. Really, this is what you want it to be. There is no limit to what you can achieve. Our job here at Corporate is to make sure that we provide top-notch support and training to cheer you on as you grow your business. We truly know and believe that our success is only measured by your success.
A lot of our presenters say how grateful they are because they have found Unique, but they've also found a sisterhood of women to support them, not only in their business, but in their life.
We are so grateful to have started something just a few years ago that has already brought together so many thousands of lives, changed lives, and helped so many women accomplish things that they never dreamt possible.
If you're already a part of Unique, we can't wait to see all that you'll accomplish. And if you're thinking of joining us, contact our presenter and visit their website to get your business started. We are excited to welcome you to the Unique family, where we love sharing cutting-edge beauty products and truly uplifting, empowering, and validating women everywhere. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
We love you.